Beautiful people, as you see, we are going to eat this delicious banana flour sauce. Watch out for my previous video how we are preparing this banana flour. Is on my YouTube channel, and this is sweet potato. Thank you very much. We are going to eat. Follow us and come and join us with this beautiful food breakfast. Okay, so Philip and Manila, this is nice. Mm. Mm. This is delicious. Delicious. Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Beautiful and lovely people. Thank you for joining us. Okay. As you could see, this is very delicious. Mmm. Mmm. This is banana flour sauce. You can see, if you have not watched the video where we use banana flour to prepare tea, go and watch it. This is the sauce. Please, guys, you are invited. Oh.
You are invited.
Mm.
Delicious.
Delicious breakfast. Yummy.
Watch how we prepare this banana flour sauce. It's delicious. Oh. And it has its own work in our body. Keep it now. Keep it. This is yummy.
Wow. Mm. The sauce that I use when the fresh mackerel is applied to it, mostly especially the roasted one. Eat. Eat. Let me show viewers what we are eating. Viewers, as you can see,
I see.
this is the banana flour sauce with fresh mackerel fish. This is Emanuela's own. This is Philip's own. This is our sweet potato. Please like, share, subscribe.
Press the notification bell to all.
Bye bye.
See you in our next video.
Mwah.